Hey friends, how are you all? I am back with my new video, and today's video is all about the pothos or money plants. So in this video we will discuss about how to get crazy growths in pothos. If you like pothos to grow quickly and impressive, those you have seen in magazines and online, then you may need a little help. And thankfully you are in right place. So I have some great tips for you, and this will be applicable to all the pothos or money plant. Since pothos are super hard to kill and they will definitely grow like a crazy, so we have to simply follow few steps, few tips that will provide these plants a best growing conditions. We can convert one plant to several plants. So you can see my neon pothos, which is planted in only 6-inch pot, and it has grown more than 6 feet long. So as per my experiment, I can only say that if you provide the best growing conditions to a plant, they will definitely show what you want. So in this video, we will talk about the thing that favors long and bushy growth of pothos, and also my secrets to grow bushy and longer money plant in just a small, that is 6-inch pot. So there are few basic tips that is required for every plant for the faster growth. So let's start. So first we will discuss about the sunlight. Money plants or pothos grows well in indirect sunlight. If you place them in direct sun, your plant will be burned out. So the plant you are looking in this video, it is so impressive, so healthy, so beautiful. It is my own neon pothos or golden money plant. All because it is placed away from the direct sun, but it is getting bright light throughout the day. Now second factor we will see is watering. It is very important to look upon the plant's watering needs. So plan a watering schedule for your plant. Water your plant in time. Check out for the proper drainage in your plant. Water your plant until the water flows out from the drainage hole. And just remember, don't overwater. Water only when the soil is dry. And if you found any brown tips in the leaves, it is definitely due to the water problem. Now the third factor is temperature. So these plants don't like hot temperatures. And if you keep these in the hot temperature, their leaves will burn out. So it's better to keep these plants in shady or cooler areas of the house, especially in summers. Now the fourth factor which affects the plant growth is fertilizers. So pothos are not the heavy feeders, so we can fertilize these plants in 2 to 3 months. Since there is always a lack of nutrients by every watering period. Since the lack of nutrients can slow down the growth of the plant, so it's best to fertilize these plants in 2 to 3 months. So I used to fertilize my pothos with cow dung composted manure, and it's easily available and the best fertilizer, and it's organic too. You can also try for other liquid fertilizers, but be careful. Don't over fertilize your plants. It can also burn your plant. Now the fourth factor is pest. So whether your plant is looking healthy or not, check out for the pest time to time, because they can hide anywhere in the plant, maybe in the pot or in the backsides of the leaves. So check out regularly for the pest, and if you encounter it, then treat your plant with some pesticides or neem oil. Now my sixth or last factor for getting bushy and long pothos is pruning. And this is magical. If you want a fuller long plant from top to bottom, pruning works like magic. We have to simply cut the stems that are growing down, and this results the new branches in the nodal area. And the stems that we have cut off from the plant, we can use it for propagating and produce new plant. We can simply put these cuttings in the water and it will grow very rapidly, very fast, and later we can plant them in soil. So in this way we can multiply our plants from one to many. So follow these tips, experiment these tips and experience this. However you treat with your plant will determine how quickly and how impressively the plant will be. So provide the best growing condition to your plants. They will definitely give it back and fulfill your expectations. So this was all about the pothos or money plants that I have. I hope you all like this video, and if you like this, don't forget to like the video, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. See you soon in my next gardening video. Till then, bye bye, take care.